If you love flavorful and juicy chicken packed with herby flavor, today I'm showing you guys how to make a quick and easy herby baked chicken. Let's get into it. To begin, I'm using 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thigh. I like to go in under the skin, that's just me. I like to add a little slit here and there. That way, all my marinade can get through and make the chicken nice and juicy and flavorful. Trust me, it helps. Just a little slit here and there. Nothing major. It's just my little trick. Just gonna continue doing this. You can do it with a fork as well. Once you're done, you're going to transfer the chicken to a bowl. Now the chicken is already clean. Remove most of the fat. I'm transferring it to a bowl. Add it in there. And now we're ready to make some homemade marinade. I'm using some fresh parsley, fresh thyme, a little bit of rosemary. Let me remove them from the stem, just like this. And also I'm using 5 cloves of garlic. Fresh herbs, you cannot go wrong with that. I have my Cajun Crush seasoning, which you can find on my website, islandvibecooking.com. I'm using a tablespoon. I have a little bit of salt and pepper going in. Juice of a whole lemon. Herby, citrusy, and we're going in with a little bit of oil. Okay, I'm using avocado oil. And now we're going to blend it. All right, guys, my marinade is done, as you guys can see. Now we're going to pour it all over the chicken. I like to pour it on this side first. And then I'm going to flip it over. Now you can definitely dice the herbs if you don't have a handheld blender, or you can just blend it in a regular blender. But what's good about this recipe, you can do it ahead of time. Like say if you making dinner the next day, pre-marinate it, and the next day you can just bake it. It smells amazing too. Now I'm going to add it to my baking dish, and don't forget the back, okay? Where we cut the little slit. Make sure you add the marinade there as well. Now I'm going to place it to my baking dish, just like this. That looks so good, y'all, so good. Ooh, might have to add this right here. Or maybe we can just do 2 and 2. Perfect. Now I'm going to add some lemon slices on the side. I don't like to add it on the chicken because I want every part of the chicken to be nice and, you know, get that beautiful color to it. Now we're going to bake this on 400 for about 45 minutes to an hour. All right, guys, the chicken is finally ready. It looks so good. Come take a look. All right, guys, let's give this delicious chicken a try. Let's try it. I like to dab it on the lemon. Gives it that, you know, citrusy taste. Let's try it. Oh my God. I'm telling you, such a simple, easy recipe, but the flavors, it's big. No words. Herby, flavorful. Not too citrusy. It's just so perfect, okay? Hope you give this a try. Thanks so much for watching. I will be posting a lot this November, so please come back on my page to see what I post, because we're gonna have the recipes back to back for November. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.